pronouns in Mabaan or honken in South Sudan, in Africa. Our lesson today is about pronouns she and her, and also when it became or it become name of female. And so you will know in Mabaan. So Eekeh, she. Eekeh is she. Eekeh, she. Eekeh, she. Eekeh, she. Eekeh, she. Eekeh, she. Eekeh, she. Ekkah is her. Ekkah is her. It's a female. It's her. Is pronouns. And Eekeh, she too. She is pronouns. A pronoun. Eekeh also is a female name in Mabaan or in African, right? So it's a female name. In Mabaan, Eekeh is she, but also a name. It means she. Eekeh, 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 come. Eekeh, bid. Eekeh, come. Eekeh, bid. And also Ekkah. Ekkah is her, but also is a female name in Mabaan or African or black, people, in Africa. So Ekkah means her. Ekkah is her, but female name. Female name. So female name would be, say, if the female name is her, but name would be Ekkah. Ekkah is her, but also a name. Ekkah, bid. Ekkah, bid, come. Ekkah, she. Ekkah, her. Is kind of like she, but it's her, pronoun. Eekeh, she. Ekkah, her. Eekeh, 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 bid. Ekkah, 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 Ekkah is female name. And Eekeh too. And my lesson today, I'm trying to see what African, group, or what group in Africa Mabaan is related to them through oral learning. Through words and naming as well. And maybe face, like how they look, their features, just of their physical, bloodline, lineage, or family roots that they are linked to. So I need to know, about this. So that's why I'm also learning language. That's why I'm teaching, you know, like African, so we can know, we all can know together, we all can learn more about, about Africa, about African, names, about African, like, history. And, we can learn together because I know, Mabaan, but I don't know, like, everything, You may know something that I don't know. So we can learn from each other. And that's why I'm here. Thank you.